Hi everyone, this is Morgan from 9 to 5 Software. In this tutorial, we are going to find out about the best accounting software for beginners and answer some of your most asked questions. You can find links to all the apps and services we talk about in the description. So, without further ado, let's get started. A product of Intuit, QuickBooks has long been heralded as the go-to accounting software for small businesses. Two different versions of QuickBooks exist, including an online format, as well as a licensed version. The program offers easy, online access to all of your customers, vendors, and employee records. Any user who purchases the online version of QuickBooks has access to free customer service as well. You can test out the program through a 30-day free trial and after the trial expires at a minimal monthly cost. QuickBooks offers accounts payable and accounts receivable services. Users can also send out billing and invoicing to customers online. Unlike other accounting software programs, collections and fixed asset management are also offered. Additionally, QuickBooks also provides cash management. Formerly known as Sage Peachtree, Sage 50 is an accounting program commonly used by small to mid-sized businesses. The program offers accounts payable and accounts receivable services, bank reconciliation, and cash management. Users can also bill and invoice directly to customers through online services. Payroll and employee management is another feature of the program and is widely used by smaller and mid-sized businesses. The program also allows the users to create and maintain a general business ledger. Sage comes at a monthly cost of $30 per month, with customer service being a part of this cost. Kashu is an accounting software program offered through the Apple App Store for iPad, iPhone, and web use. The format of this program is through the cloud and is widely used by smaller businesses already using any Apple product. The program allows small business owners to send invoices, manage finances, enter in expenses, and generate reports from the comfort of their own mobile device. Accounts receivable and accounts payable are available through Kashu, as well as cash management, CPA firms, and bank reconciliation. Users will be able to track expenses and income, and they will also be able to bill and invoice customers directly online. Payroll services are available, as well as spend and tax management services. One especially unique feature is Kashu's ability to handle multi-currency expenses. Apple does offer a free trial for this program with a starting monthly cost of $13 per month. Training is offered live online, as well as through webinar format. Support is available online during business hours. FreshBooks used to be an invoicing software with a few bookkeeping tools tossed in. The introduction of double entry accounting helped propel FreshBooks into a comprehensive accounting solution that will help your business quickly catch and rectify any accounting errors. The software is incredibly easy to use and free of accounting jargon. FreshBooks is best for small businesses that are looking for simplicity, strong invoicing, proposals, and good customer support. If you're running a small business, you know that even small accounting problems can lead to major headaches. With FreshBooks' convenient customer support, help is only a phone call away. FreshBooks offers 3 pricing plans ranging from $15 to $50 a month. Most features are included in all plans, so each larger level mainly adds more billable customers. FreshBooks only supports a single user. Additional users cost an extra $10 a month each. Additional features, such as advanced payments and payroll through Gusto, are offered as plan add-ons. FreshBooks boasts a straightforward user experience and has an attractive user interface. Setup is simple, and the software takes very little time to learn. FreshBooks' customer support sets it apart from the competition, but the software also hosts a ton of useful accounting features.